Hi, I just wanted to make a video on how to find Datavideo's encoders on a MacBook. Datavideo does not have a specific application or software to find IPs on a MacBook. We do for a Windows machine, but we do not for a Mac. So alternatively, what we have been using is an application called Lanscan. What I'll do now is show you how to use that application and find your encoder's IP. Okay, for this sake of this video and testing, I am using a NVS 35, as you can see here, NVS 35, and that's my streaming device. First thing you want to do is confirm this is plugged into your network. Okay, that's the one thing you want to do, is confirm that it's plugged into your network. Most products will have a LAN on the back, or another one would be, say, Stream. Once you have those connected via an Ethernet cable to your network, you would need to connect your Mac to that same network as well. For the sake of this video, I have it hardwired just for the sake of making sure I have the correct IP connection. If you have Wi-Fi on and you're using Wi-Fi, please make sure your Wi-Fi is on that same IP as your NVS 35 or your encoder. If you don't know your IP settings or anything like that of that nature, you would need to contact your IP admin or anyone on your location that works with the network there to assist you on finding your IP, or you would need to further search on YouTube on how to find your network's IP for Macs. Okay, this video is specifically just to show you how to connect the NVS encoders and then finding them on your network and connecting it with a Mac. Okay, so again, as long as you have this connected to that same network as my encoder, they will find them together. For this sake, I have turned off Wi-Fi so it doesn't conflict with our other network, and I have it hardwired into our network. I turned off Wi-Fi. From there, went to the Apple settings and went to settings. And as you can see here, I have a LAN connection and it's connected. So that's how I know what my LAN connection is and that I'm connected hardwired. Okay. From there, you want to go to your App Store. And then search up Lanscan. This will be LAN space SCAN. Okay, it will show up that's Lanscan. Go ahead and press enter. It will be this green duck here. For me, I already have it, so I'm going to press open. For you, you will need to do install. If you cannot install, you need your admin to help you install. So make sure you have your admin or you have admin credentials so you could download. Okay, so for us, we already have it installed. I'm going to hit open. Okay, once you're here and you're in the open, as you can see right now, my network scanned from 192.168.10. That is correct. So that is my network that I will know, and I know that's my network because I checked beforehand. Just a quick note, if you're not sure, you would need to contact your admin. But let me go back to settings just to quickly show you. So you go to your systems. No, bear with me. I'm still. Here we go. No, I think I need to minimize this. Apologies, I'm not a huge Mac user. Okay. Here we go. So if I click on this, it will show you the IP I have right now. So I have a 192.168.10. So again, Lanscan should automatically pick that up. Sometimes it doesn't, but it shows there that I have that IP. If you don't and it's not showing you that, you could hit here, Lanscan. Where's the edit? Here, config. So config, as long as this is selected as your network card, which I have here, you should be good. Okay, select your network card here. It is selected, and then just hit scan, and it's going to scan your network for all IPs. This one does not specifically find for Datavideo. Our device finder on Windows will specifically find Datavideo, but for Lanscan will show you every single IP you have on the network. Okay, so for this one, we'll show you a couple of video products here. We like Lanscan just for the sake that it does show you the Datavideo Technologies, the vendor. So you'll see vendor here. I'm going to click on vendor just so I can organize it for me. As you can see, I have Datavideo. I do have a couple of products here. If you only have one encoder, then you should only see one Datavideo. And then if you could look here, that's the IP of the encoders to the left, okay? If you have multiple, you're not sure which one's your encoder, you would need to look at the MAC address. The MAC address is underneath the unit and will look something like this. Since we mounted, I put the MAC address here. For you, it will be located underneath the unit, and you have a MAC address that looks like this. Confirm what the MAC address is underneath the unit with what you have here. As you can see, I have MAC address here, and then I have Datavideo products there. And then as you can see, my MAC address is last four, D447. Gonna look here, D44F7, not 47, D4F7. So this will be my MAC address. It's a 115. I believe this opens it for you. Let me double check. No, it does not. Okay, so that's the IP address of it. So from this point on, what you would need to do is go to your web browser and type out that IP of 192.168.10.115. Again, it will show whatever network you have. The IPs will be different. This is my network, and this is what it will show for me. So for the sake of this one, I'm going to go ahead and use Google Chrome, and it's a 10.115. So we need that IP, and you need to write it into your web browser. Give me 1 second here while it opens up. Okay, so the web page 192.168.10.115. Press enter, and here you go. It will look like this. Username is admin lowercase. Password is 6 zeros. 6 zeros. Sign in, and you're in. So this will be the same interface for all encoders across the board. So again, this is how you would connect your Datavideo encoder with MacBook using Lanscan. Again, that's the one we use in-house, and we had success with it. You don't have to buy the pro version. We just use the free version of Lanscan, and that's what's been helping with us connecting Mac Datavideo products with an encoder with Mac. So hopefully this video helps. If you still are having issues, making sure you're on the same network is #1 key. Most of the time, people are on different networks, and that's the main issue we have with customers. Just confirm you're on the same network. If you're on the same network, then it should find no problems. If you're still having issues, then just email support@datavideo.com, and we could further assist you on helping you find your IP, okay? Thank you, and hopefully this video helps.